Hi everyone, Vinay here. Welcome to our channel DDN. In this video, I'm going to explain about NFTs. Non-fungible tokens. Amitabh Bachchan to McDonald's launching NFTs. Should you invest in crypto tokens? Investing in an NFT is not a simple decision and depends on many factors. Non fungible tokens are digital assets that have become way too popular recently. Before going to invest in an NFT, we should know some factors. We should have some basic idea of NFTs, how NFTs work, what does it mean to be fungible, what does it mean to be non fungible, what are NFTs, how do NFT work, how can NFTs cost so much, selling art as NFTs. Finally, how can you make money with NFTs? So, first of all, what does it mean to be fungible? Fungible only applies to a group of items. A group of items is fungible if every member of this group is identical. If every member of this group is identical, members can be traded without any issue. Examples of things that are fungible: Ethereum, Bitcoin, fiat money, and more, etc. So, what does it mean to be non fungible? A group of items is non fungible if every member of this group is unique and individual. What are NFTs? NFT stands for non fungible token. An NFT is nothing more than a unit of data that is stored and monitored on a blockchain. The blockchain verifies the uniqueness and authenticity of the unit of data. This unit of data can be anything like photo, video, audio, etc. You might know NFTs are really expensive digital art. How do NFTs work? Two main qualities to think about. One is provable uniqueness, second is provable ownership. Provable uniqueness means can't digital art be easily duplicated? Yes, but not if it is stored on the blockchain. Digital art that is minted and exchanged on the blockchain is fraud proof because every creation or transaction is monitored and confirmed by a network of computers. Provable ownership. Anytime an NFT is transferred or exchanged to another user, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. The NFT's owner address will change from the old owner's address to the new owner's address. The blockchain allows for the tracking of owners through the history of an NFT. How can NFTs cost so much? Demand drives price. We all know that demand drives price. But what drives demand? Many things. What is the story behind this NFT? Crazier story, crazier price. What is the context behind this NFT? Crazier context, crazier price. Who made this NFT? Imagine if someone like Snoop Dogg minted an NFT. Snoop Dogg minted an NFT collection called A Journey with the Dog and made over $1 lakh on one of the items in that collection. When was this NFT made? Like fine wine, the older the better. What do people think about this NFT? What are the circumstances surrounding the early life of this NFT? NFTs are digital assets have become popular lately. The sales of NFTs have surged manifold in the recent times. Many Indian celebrities are launching these digital tokens of their own. These digital assets are slowly making their way to the Indian market and have become especially popular among investors. An NFT is a unique crypto token represented on a distributed ledger. However, their market is still relatively small, with young people being mostly drawn towards crypto coins. However, NFTs are currently being portrayed as the digital solution to collectibles that are one of a kind. To put in simple words, an NFT is a one of a kind digital asset that represents real world objects such as music, art, in game articles, videos, or even social media posts. Being non fungible, NFTs cannot be interchanged with anything else, as it is unique and irreplaceable. In recent times, NFTs have become a popular way to sell and buy digital artwork. However, these digital tokens have been around since 2014. The wealth potential of NFTs. The most expensive NFT ever sold was sold at the auction house Christie's first ever digital art auction. Michael Winkelmann, known professionally as Beeple, sold a compilation of artworks called The First 5,000 Days for $69 million. For some context, Beeple has been making art even single day since May 2007. What makes NFTs unique? Data from the internet can be stored easily, you may argue. However, even though one can get a free copy of one item in an NFT, the unique properties will be surely missed out. This is where the non fungible part comes into play. To put in a simple manner, millions of copies of Van Gogh's painting, The Starry Night, is available all across the world, but the original one, kept in the Pushkin Museum in Moscow, still holds the same value. Currently, we are in third generation of NFT. NFT 3.0 included digital art that acquired authoritative functions like ownership. NFTs become interactive. They can emit actions, send NFTs, own other NFTs. For example, a video game character that is an NFT can now own a sword. So that is also an NFT created from digital works, which represent items like art, GIFs, videos, music, collectibles, and even tweets. The first ever tweet by Twitter founder Jack Dorsey was converted to an NFT and sold for more than $2.9 million. Selling art as NFTs. Another way to look at NFTs is that they are smart contracts stating that this digital art is the original. An NFT refers to both your digital artwork plus a blockchain contract stating you created the piece and that it's original. Whenever you sell digital original, it will be registered on the blockchain. Access entire transaction history and see how your work moves through the secondary market. You can sell anything as an NFT as long as it can be digitized. Elon Musk almost auctioned a song he made about NFTs as an NFT. Imagine how much money he would make if he decided to sell. The vast world of NFT collectibles. Another way you can make money with NFTs is to collect valuable assets, hope that they increase in value, and then sell for a profit. Collectibles can come in the form of video game assets, trading cards, etc. Should you buy NFTs? Non fungible tokens are the new talk of the town, but many skeptics worry that these digital assets are a bubble waiting to burst anytime. So, before you buy NFTs, you should take a step back and think, because this depends on a lot of factors. NFTs involve a lot of risks and their future is not certain. And we don't have a lot of history to judge their performance. Since NFTs are so new, it may be worth investing small amounts to try it out for now. You can buy them for as low as 10 rupees or may even spend lakhs of rupees on them. You may even go for it if it suits your personal taste. However, if you are investing in NFTs, it is advisable to keep track on the recent market trends before you buy them. NFTs are associated with easily reproducible items such as photos, videos, audio, and other types of digital files as unique items by using blockchain technology to give the NFT a verified and public proof of ownership. An NFT is a unit of data stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain, which can be sold and traded. The NFT can be associated with a particular digital or physical asset and a license to use the asset for a specified purpose. An NFT can be traded and sold on digital markets. NFTs functions like cryptographic tokens, but unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are not mutually interchangeable, hence not fungible. While all bitcoins are equal, each NFT may represent a different underlying asset and thus may have a different value. NFTs do not necessarily involve a transfer of any intellectual property rights of your work. If you like the content in the video, please like and share to your friends And for more videos on our channel, please subscribe to our channel DDN. Thank you for watching.